This segment is sponsored by Virtuoso Builders.
Well, we are going behind the drywall this morning for another Hammer Time segment with the team at Virtuoso Builders. Rebecca caught up with them to talk about all things home remodels. Take a look.
Hey everyone, I am out here with Mike and Molly Sowery, the team behind Virtuoso Builders, for another great segment as part of our Hammer Time series. We are going behind the drywall this morning. Hey guys, good to see you.
Good morning.
Thanks for inviting me out here, first of all. Mike, let's start with you. I know you guys specialize in whole house remodels. You do a lot of gutting, a lot of additions, very fun stuff. This is a great project that we're standing in right now. Tell me a little bit about it.
This is a whole house remodel. So really what we're doing is gutting the entire thing. We're expanding out that way. We're expanding out front, removing walls, just basically making it one big, giant, open floor plan.
So by removing these walls, taking all these spaces out and making them bigger, you're actually increasing square footage in some of these homes that you're trying to make them a little bit more open and big, right?
That's exactly right. So here we're increasing by about 600-700 square feet. But also by removing walls, we're even making it feel bigger in the existing space.
Yeah, it's an absolutely great product. I can't wait to show you guys some of the before pictures. We'll keep you tuned on how they come in after. Now, Molly, let's talk about what you guys do. You specialize in projects that are different and unique, and I know you have clients out there who want specific additions to their home. Tell me a little bit about how that process goes, how you can customize plans for your clients.
We can customize pretty much anything. In the project that we're standing in right now, all the doors themselves, the doorways, entryways, interior are being customized. So the homeowner had purchased sort of these vintagey looking doors, are amazing. And we are framing around those doors, putting in all vintagey type hardware and everything. So it's specialized. We're also doing all the vanities in all the bathrooms are actually furniture. So we're changing all that furniture, repurposing it, and making them into vanities. So it's going to be really, really neat.
So if you have a specific idea in mind, you guys are the tag team duo to make it come to life, right?
We can do it, yes.
And I know you get asked by a lot of people who watch our show, you guys serve San Antonio, you serve surrounding areas too, right?
Yes. Right now on the project, we're in Boerne, so we do a lot of work out in Boerne, so we're in north of San Antonio, but we've gone to Helotes, we've been in New Braunfels, we've been in pretty much the surrounding areas in San Antonio proper, so yeah.
So if you are looking for some additions, some remodeling, some whole home renovations, these are the two that are going to make it happen for you. All you got to do is call Mike and Molly, part of Virtuoso Builders, and tell them you saw us here on the show for our Hammer Time.
And Virtuoso Builders are on Blanco Road. You can set up an appointment with them by scanning that QR code that you see on your screen. You can also give them a call at 210-525-8750 or visit virtuosobuilders.com for more information.